can't give up that easy, right?
I'm not gonna be there for you.
The window.
Cause you were never there for me.
Glass colour green, yeah. Glass check 1. Fitting kits, yes. Okay. Got a fitting kit here.
Wasn't it for me?
Okay, I'll have that. For reasons of safe working practices, we recommend wearing protective gloves. Cool thing. Jigsaw and some metal jigsaw blades, because the one it comes with is just for wood. Hole saw drill bit, I can put the holes like in the side of the van first to get the jigsaw blade in the hole. That's how you, yeah. Right. Here's the window. The inner bit is going to be in the hole, and this is the bit that is going to have the adhesive bond between it and the van. So I need to make sure that I measure it and cut it right. I'm going to make a template of the inside piece because I'm just not very confident about getting the measurements right without a template, so let's do that. So I'm going to use this to go and check whether it fits. Sweet. Looks good. There's a gap around the edge. So basically what I want to do is chop slightly smaller than this. I've run into my first problem. So I can't use this hole saw because it doesn't fit in the chuck. So I'm just going to try and use the biggest drill bit I have. I found a 10mm drill bit. I'll just use this. That should be okay, hopefully. Let's do this.
I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good. Why's you not on your knees?
Nice.
What's in it for me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's in it for me?
Well, glad that's over.
It does take a rare degree of confidence to cut a big hole in the side of your van.
True.
It's not really a question of what happens if I get it wrong, but more, whatever you do, don't get this wrong.
So, get the teeth. I've painted it with Hammerite. And I've looked on the inside.
It looks okay at the top here. You want it to bond to the metal. Is yeah, it's fine wherever else. It's just that top corner.
So basically, I've cut the hole too big. I see what you mean. If only I'd cut that bit and that bit the right radius. It's the right length. It's just and the right height to sort of lean it towards you from the top. Do I just go for it? I think just go for it and hope for the best. Like making a video.
I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around.
You know, So look at the edge.
And just hope this right.
And then,
No pressure.
Yeah, no, one chance only.
Where do we go when everything feels like it's
yeah, from the outside it's dead straight.
the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're stalling all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Boogie down. Come on. Go down. That's right. Through our hands.
Right, so yesterday I glued this together. I originally tried to use this PVA glue from Hobbycraft, but it was just rubbish. I'm sure it's good for crafty stuff, but it's no good for gluing this stuff together. So I found some wood glue kicking around. So I used that. It seems pretty secure. I'm just going to screw it together and then we'll go from there. Just been and bought some screws that are the right length. Let's try this one. See how we get on. Nice, screwed in. Okay, so the idea is this bit on there like that. I'm thinking of putting it there. How the hell did you take that off? That makes sense. Doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. Like that. There we go. Well, that was a pain in the ass. Well, I think it's safe to say I've avoided any warranties on this thing. Right, so I've done all the realistic prep I can do to cut this, so I just need to chop it out, basically, and not screw it up. That'd be good. Get some of this stuff out of the way. Sweet. Right, now going back now. Drilled a little hole. Let's do it. The silicone first, stick it down, and then screw it in from the bottom. Good to go.